Reflection for Sunday, June 9, 10th Sunday in Ordinary Time. Mark chapter 3, verse 20 to 35. What are the consequences that we would receive after we sin? There are many. Foremost among these is the control of Satan over us. This is why we keep on sinning until we become numb to committing sin. Thus, sinning becomes a lifestyle, an ordinary act for many. However, what many of us don't realize is that our numbness towards sin becomes an instrument leading to problem-filled and dysfunctional lives. In the Gospel, Jesus is accused by the scribes of being under the control of Beelzebul, the prince of demons. Why were they accusing Jesus of being part of Beelzebul's team? Because Jesus was casting out demons from people who were possessed. By casting out demons, the power of Jesus over Satan and Beelzebul was revealed. Sin is the most effective instrument of Satan to bring people to hell, even while they are still living in this world. This is primarily why Satan wants people to sin. But Satan is no match for Jesus, because Satan cowers in fear the moment he hears the powerful name of Jesus. Many are living in sin right now, leading meaningless lives without clear direction, because they have decided to embrace Satan and his many sinful offerings. For those who continue to sin, be assured that the time of retribution will surely come. For those who will decide to permanently walk away from Satan and his sinful offerings, for those who will decide to embrace the light of enlightenment being constantly offered by Jesus, they will begin to live peaceful and meaningful lives.